Octopus, man. I'm looking at some octopus. Octopus, 8 legs. 8 legs the octopus have. But where the hell is the octopus running going? To me, that's a huge disadvantage. Imagine you are an octopus. You are given 8 legs and then thrown in the middle of the ocean. Somebody make a mistake somewhere. Whoever made the octopus, their plan was to put the octopus on land. And some of the octopus happened to fall in the ocean. But the octopus is for land because the octopus has legs. An octopus has 8 legs, man. And he's in the bottom of the ocean waggling his feet. He's supposed to be on land walking. Just imagine you get up one morning and you walking through the forest and you see an animal with fins. With fins going moom moom like a fish. How is that possible? An octopus is supposed to be on land. An octopus is supposed to be on land.